Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming back at you with another daily work from home job lead. Real quickly, if you're new here, this channel is all about searching the internet and bringing the best work from home job leads to you on a daily basis. I normally share 2 to 3 different job leads a day, so if you never want to miss out and you want to be part of the work from home community, make sure you're subscribed, have those notifications turned on. Today's job lead is from the company MetaSource. Now, if you want a work from home job as easy as picking up the phone, ring, 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 and when they answer, say, yes, I just need to know, does Bob Smith work there, please? Okay, thank you. You just need to verify someone's employment records. This is the job for you. Now, this is specifically validating that the person actually works where they say they work and make the money that they say they do, that they've put on their mortgage application. You are being a mortgage verification specialist responsible for collecting and validating the information that the people that are applying for these mortgages give you. So your responsibilities are basically re-verify the employment and assets by communicating with the different employers or financial institutions. You'll enter that information into the computer system databases. You'll collect, research, and analyze data, and you'll review any documents to determine any necessary re-verifications. Now, this is remote work from home within the United States, and they are paying $15 to $17 an hour, and they don't require very much experience at all. They just require a high school diploma or GED, and it says any combination of education and experience. Mortgage lending experience is preferred, but not required. They want someone who has the ability to read and interpret documents such as company policies, the ability to write reports and correspond clearly both in written and oral correspondence, and of course, as someone who has experience with Microsoft Office such as Word, Excel, Outlook, all of those things. Now, they are going to require you to be able to pass a background check and a drug test. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.